sad story about your brain, and this requires by phones, and adults and kids shouldn't do that. So they used to call it like corn pop, but now they'll call it brain lot. So it means your brain is rotten, and you'll see not good words like what the heck, what the sigma, skibidi toilet, like that stuff. So this requires for adults and kids, especially 5 and 4. Yeah, especially any age, even when you're like granny or grandpa, still. So that's why it's very, very important not to give your kids like phones. Otherwise, you have a brain lot and it will harm your kid. So it'll hurt your eyes first, because they'll scream, the big lightness, it goes in your eyes and then it harms it. Otherwise you can't see, and then you need glasses on you. And if you had one night feel of that, if you don't want it, just don't use it. But the adults has done a big mistake. It's not the kids, it was the adults. They let some of the kids play on their phones. So that's not good. So when I got my second tooth out, I didn't feel that calm, but at the very, very last, my mom and dad pulled it out, and I didn't even need my phone to play with when they're doing it. So this is why brain lot is so bad, especially skibidi toilet. What the sigma? What the heck? That's no good words. 3 and 4, you don't need to do this, right? It does mean that means the bad people, very, very bad people. So unfortunately, some of the people got brain lot, I think. So I don't know. Okay, so I hope you don't watch your phone, and I hope you have a lovely time. Bye.